guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As controlled explosion at Buckingham Palace as man arrested for throwing shotgun shells. Police have detained a man after he reportedly approached the palace gates around 7 p.m. in the evening. Buckingham Palace is on lockdown after the man threw suspected shotgun Caldic on the ground outside the royal residence. The police said officers arrested a man around 7 p.m. tonight after he approached the palace gates and threw a number of items in the residence grounds. They added that the objects were recovered and that the man is now in custody after he was found to be in possession of a suspicious bag. They said officers quickly detained a man at around 7 p.m. on Tuesday, May 2nd, after he approached the gates of Buckingham Palace SW1 and threw a number of items suspected to be a shotgun into the Paris grounds. These have been recovered and will be taken for the specialist examination. There have been no reports of any shot fired or any injury. That's good news, but apparently Buckingham Palace is in lockdown. They are still investigating. The man has been arrested on suspicion of possession of an offensive weapon and will be taken into custody. Crowds in the Paris after the man was also found in the possession of a suspicious bag, and specialists are in attendance and will assess the items. Police later carried out a controlled explosion of an object that made confirmed in a follow-up statement. Services said that it has Paris controls around the palace after officers immediately detained the man on site. Chief Jones James MC said officers immediately to detain the man and he has been taken into police custody. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also to leave a comment below.